Good morning and welcome to the December 3rd, 2009 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Well, this morning we're featuring Coinstar, ticker symbol CSTR. This is a $781 million consumer goods company. They provide a range of solutions for retailer storefronts, including self-service coin counting, entertainment services, and e-payment services. Taking a look at the chart technically, you can see that after the breakout, this gap up back in mid-February, we took out the previous high at about $25. Since that time, almost every trip back down has held at this $25 level, with the exception of just a couple of days here at the end of February and early in March. But otherwise, you can see the trip back down here in June turned at at 25. We came back down again to 25 in early July, and at that time we actually had equal lows and a rising MACD, so we did have a positive divergence forming then, and you can see what that led to. It led to some immediate buying to the upside. Now we have a very similar type situation, except the volume's been stronger to the downside. If you take a look at the selling that's taken place over the last couple months, you'll see that volume's been very heavy. And we did mention here, heavy volume means we have to be careful, because if we do break down with heavy volume, you don't really want to be involved in the stock on the long side. However, if we get a reversing candle, today might be just a tad early based on what happened today, might be a tad early to get involved. We may want to see a reversing candlestick right here at about this $25 level. If we get that, I think it would open up the possibilities of a nice bounce to the upside, because we do have the MACD turning back up, so we already have a positive divergence in play, and also you can see that we've been very oversold recently in terms of the RSI and stochastics. So we are at price support. We are oversold. We've got a nice divergence in play. If we can get a reversing candle, I think this one could set up very nicely. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.